Holy. Just a friggin' winter's wonderland. I wonder if this thing will start. Yeah, maybe. I gotta redo the battery terminals though. Oh, little Barcapini. Good Lord, that's a terrible cold start on this guy. Barely even a chooch. Barely even a chooch. Haven't started this in like a minute, so hopefully we're a little low. No good. Holy boys. You know what I mean? So many fucking briskets out. Here, you're cameraman today. Make sure you aim at that stuff. Don't fuck up. Let me see your fingers. Oh my God.
Nicotine stains.
I don't think that's nicotine, buddy. I think there's a pretty good probability that it's poop. Hey? It's a pretty good chance. See what it says. Oh yeah, we got the powers. We got the powers of the Grayskulls here, boys. She fires right up. Oh, alternator works. That's good. That's wholesome. Okay. That's wholesome. Well, normally I'd just be hibernating inside, but this fella here, we fixed his coolant leak before, and now he's got a brake leak, so he decided to come down and get her fixed, which isn't too bad because you know, take a break off the old truck ski there and work on something else. But you know, we got serious issues in Inwood today, boys. Like wintertime, no good. Freaking Jamie Pants has got his good welding jammies on for shoveling snow. And there's protection, personal protection, you know what I mean? Personal crushing equipment. But yeah, freezing friggin' cold, not good. We got serious issues in Inwood, boys. It's pretty cool, buzz. Oh, well. Leaky brakes. He told me the brakes were leaking. He's like, oh, it's in the front somewhere. So I'm looking all around for it. He's pumping. I don't know, man. Like, I don't see it leaking anywhere. It's leaking diesel, it's leaking oil, but I don't see any brake fluid. Well, maybe I should have a gander a little further back. And there's just a fucking puddle on the fucking ground. It's puke. It's just shooting out. Like the flex line broke right off. It's just shooting right onto the spare tires. So all spare tires fucking soaked in brake fluid now. Oh my God! Well, he brought some with him, yeah, but 12,508 kilometers, 180 hours. Woo! Shootin'. Using children?
No, and the
Well, I don't know. It was not shutting off, so I was trying to keep an eye on it, but it takes too long, and I fucking stand on top of the ladder for 25 minutes and still not full. Quit.
You know, that, I don't know. Man started too. Sweet.
Right? Oh, hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Look at what the part stick said. Oh my god. Don't look too bad, I guess. I was a little scared. I want to get a copper one, but I mean, they're not available from that source anyway. But this one's got a little corrosion, little damage. Yeah, straighten that out, not a big deal, but a little green, not too bad. Might need a couple new fasteners on that guy there, but we got ourselves into a situation out with this loader tire. I don't even know if I told you, the loader tire's flat. Okay, so I really hope you're happy. Gonna try to ratchet. We were out there all day. Yesterday I wasted it working on another guy's truck, and today wasted it trying to do other stuff. Well, I cleaned up too. I cleaned up around here a little bit because I was just tripping over stuff big time. I started doing cartwheels, and I was like, "Whoa, dude! Like, that's just too much. We gotta, just pick up after yourself a little bit. Now at least some of the tools we know where they are. But Jamie Pants has been, he's been eating it. So now, he was just smelling his fingers, and now he's sticking them in his mouth. So, holy, that's probably good enough for inwood right there. Couple spots. You know what I mean? Frick yeah, man. We should get them on the other side there. We get these doors painted, get the hood painted, get the fenders painted. But anybody's got a link on a good set of passenger side doors, because this one's all crusty and decked, and there's rust on the bottom, and this one too rusty and decked. It'd be nice to get a good original set. I mean, even if they were the repops, I don't care. As long as they aren't deckered, that's the only rust on the whole truck at this point will be the bottoms of the passenger side doors. But anyways, got most of that cut out. Just like, oh, buddy, you startled me. What were you doing? Going to the Donecker? Just look at the state of this place. Oh my goodness gracious. What are we even going to do? How are we going to get any type of anything done in these conditions? How's the Donnie today?
Good.
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Can you get a good toke of it?
Show the camera. Get tons of views off that.
Oh, fuck. I don't know.
I don't want to do it too much.
Don't want to do it too much. What happened? You gotta be cameraman. You gotta stand behind it, not in front of it. Get the shot and stuff. No, we're fucked, boys. We are right fucked. Hope you're fucking happy. You know what I mean? I was hoping that I could get the wheel to turn, but it's four-wheel drive, so you gotta turn all of them to turn one of them. This is not good. Nope. Nope. Not good at all.
Show the camera
All the logs?
all the turds.
All the fucking stinky fucking stink finger turds. There's probably a bunch of fucking smidge marks in them, eh? There's like fingerprints all in your fucking logs, you disgusting fuck. Well, we're deck boys. I don't know. It took way too long. I mean, just jacking the thing up took all day with the air over hydraulic jack. $250. So I was like $280. I gotta take that back though. But I don't know. A couple days off the truck to refresh the old appliance there. I'd probably be back tomorrow anyway, but fuck, I gotta get that loader tire fucking fixed. It'd be nice if it would just fix, but starting to think that it might just be an episode, like a warm weather type activity, you know? Because, like, bruh.